everybody, how's it going? So I ordered a brand new Logitech mouse from Amazon. I hit their automatic return thing. Still got to send the other box back. Yeah, thanks for that, Amazon. I really appreciate taking time out of my day to drive to the post office to fix your fucking mess. Anyway, the big question on everybody's mind is, will I actually get what I paid for? It's almost like the Amazon game show at this point. Let's hit the music. Yeah, seriously, I'm really curious to see what's going to happen here. Are we going to get an actual Logitech mouse this time, or am I going to get a another mystery box repack? I mean, I was so impressed with the ultra useful mouse I got in the last video. Now that was the thing. To me, it looked like it happened in the factory, but a lot of you guys, and by I mean a lot of you guys, I mean like literally probably about 1,000 of you pointed out, no, you get it wrong! You're wrong! You're wrong! You're wrong! You're wrong! And you know, that's how the old saying goes. You know, everybody makes mistakes, but Crom help you if you make a mistake on the internet. That's one thing I love about you guys. You know, when I screw something up, you'll be sure to let me know. So, thanks for that, guys. Anyway, let's see what we get. I figured this time I'd better videotape this one in case I get it wrong yet again. So this has been shrink wrapped. Apparently that's really easy to do from what you guys are telling me, and it's got the little stickers at the right positions. Hopefully I get a Logitech mouse this time. Let's see what's behind door number 1 here. And again, the tape is here, so let's see what we get. Gotta say, I really enjoyed using this mouse in LA. So I'm really hoping I get one here. Didn't realize it was that big of a deal, you know, where it basically, if you're buying electronics on Amazon, you're kind of rolling the dice at this point. That's a real shame. I think that's something Amazon should... Oh my God! Are you fucking kidding me? I got fucked twice in a row! Look at this! Another one! Holy... What the fuck, Amazon? What the fuck is this shit? Are you fucking shitting me? Twice in a fucking row! Motherfucker!